Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am. How are
Good
you?
evening to all.
Good evening. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, beta.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Harshit. Please turn on your videos, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Sri Lakshya. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
How are you, Trilokya?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, beta. Shriyansh. Shriyans. Yes, Shriyans. Turn on your video. Shriyansh, turn on the video. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, welcome to the maths class. This is your first class, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
You had your science class also?
Ma'am?
You had your science class also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for maths, this is your first. Okay. So Shriyansh, now we are doing ratio and proportions chapter. Okay. Maybe you must have done some of the chapters in your school. What chapters you have done in your school?
Ma'am, we have completed till data handling.
Completed data handling. Till data handling you have completed.
Yes, ma'am.
All chapters till data handling. Okay. So we are yet to do data handling. Rest all the previous chapters we have done.
Okay, ma'am.
Never mind, we'll be revising also.
Okay.
After every 3-4 chapters, we revise the content.
Okay, ma'am.
So presently we are doing ratio and proportions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, we are almost done with it.
Okay, ma'am.
But I'll be revising the chapter now again. So it will be a revision for those who have done and those who have joined freshly. So they can also benefit from it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, please turn on the videos, everyone. Neha, Adya. Okay, let me take you to the screen. We are following the NCRT book basically. Shreyans, I'm telling you, we are following the NCRT book. Okay, but apart from that, we do extra sum from other books also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So yesterday, children, we were doing some extra sums, right? Now I'll take you back to the chapter so as to revise the chapter again, and those who have joined us now, they can also benefit from it, right? Okay, this is the chapter in your book. Do you have the NCRT book, Shreyans?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So basically, we are following that only, and
Okay.
extra questions from any source.
Okay.
Okay, now, see now, ratios. Ratio, what is a ratio? When we speak about ratios and proportion, the very first thing is the ratio. Ratio is the comparison of two things by the method of division. Okay. See, when we have two numbers, say, just for an instance, take an example. If we have two numbers, how do we compare them? Which one is greater, which is lesser? We subtract, we take the difference of those. Yes. We take the difference of those, then only we get to know no, how much greater is the greater number, how much lesser is the lesser number. So that's one way of comparison. The other way of comparison is by division. Okay, and that method is called ratio. Okay, that method is called ratio. Now the comparison is known as ratio. We denote ratio with these two dots, like a colon sign, no? Two dots. Okay, we'll get to the definition here. Okay, comparing of two numbers by the method of division. You can write down ratio is the comparison of two quantities by the method of division. Those who want to note down, you can note down. Selection, you can note down. Others must have already written. Ratio is the comparison of two quantities by the method of division. Done? Written?
Ma'am, can you repeat once again?
Ratio is the comparison of two quantities
Yes, ma'am.
by the method of division.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is denoted by the sign two dots like this, colon sign. Okay, like this. And one more thing to note down there is that when you are taking the ratio, the units of those two quantities should be same.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The unit should be same. If it is meter, then both numerator and denominator should be in meters. If it is centimeters, it should be both in centimeters. Rupees, then both should be rupees. Whatever unit it is, it should be in the same units.
Okay.
The numerator also and the denominator also. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ask me wherever you don't understand. Like suppose, consider the examples like here, ratio of father's weight to Isha's weight. Now ratio of father's weight to Isha's weight. Now whatever is written first here, that we will take it as a numerator. Right? Whatever name is first written, that will take as a numerator. The one which is written the next, we will take it as a denominator.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now ratio of father's weight to Isha's weight is 75:2. We say, how do we read it as 75:25? Okay. So when we reduce it to lowest form, you must have studied about lowest form when you did fractions.
Yes, ma'am.
How do we reduce a fraction to a lowest form? No? Like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So lowest form means that form of a fraction where you don't have any other common factor between them other than 1. Then they become co-prime. That is called the lowest form. Okay. When the numerator and denominator both become co-prime, we call that's the lowest form. When they don't have any other common factor other than 1. So the lowest form here is 3:1. Now same way, how do you write the other ratio? The ratio of the cost of a pen to the cost of a pencil. Now first, what is written? Cost of a pen we have to find out to the cost of a pencil. So cost of the pen will be written as a numerator. Cost of pencil will be written as a denominator. Okay. And the lowest form will be 5:1. That is, we write it as 5:1. Okay. Okay. Let's see more examples in that. Okay, this is how the definition is. No, the two quantities can be compared only if they are in the same unit. Okay, this is what I told you. The unit is the same. Okay, let's take some more examples. Randomly, I'll take some questions from the book. Okay, from the exercise also, from the examples also. Okay, children. Neha, Bhavesh.
Yes,
Neha, Bhavesh, Harshit. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
So it will be a revision for you, beta. You have already done the chapter. It's a revision, okay? So you have your Sunday test also. This time you have ratio proportions coming for the Sunday test. Okay, now see this example. Length and breadth of a rectangular field are 50 meter and 15 meter respectively. Now what do you mean by respectively, Shreyansh?
Ma'am, I'm not sure, ma'am.
Yes?
I'm not sure about it. No, I guess respectively means like properly.
See, respectively means it's given, one second. It's given length and breadth of a rectangular field are this much and this much. So that means whatever is written first, that is first here, the length. Whatever is written next here, that is the next one, the breadth,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
That means respectively. Find the ratio of the length to the breadth in the field. Now you have to find the ratio of length to the breadth. Now which one should I write as a numerator and the denominator? Tell me.
Length as a numerator and 15 breadth as a denominator.
Very good. Okay, so length has the numerator and breadth has the denominator. This is the ratio we want to find out. So the lengths and breadths are already given. The actual numbers are given to us. So we have to find the lowest form of it now. Lowest form means when the numbers become co-prime, when they have no other factor other than 1. So what is the lowest form here?
Ma'am, I guess 3 by
Yes, you can reduce it by 5. No? Both numbers can be divided by 5.
5.
Sri Lakshmi, tell me. Sri Lakshya, tell me. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is the lowest form here?
Ma'am, the lowest form is ma'am,
So,
5 by 3.
5 by. No, this is 10. 5 tens are will be 50. 5 threes are will be 50. If you reduce it by 5, you will get 10 by 3. Now 10 by 3 does not have any common factor, no? If I take the HCF of 10 and 3, I don't find any common factor here, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shriyansh? So this is the lowest one, right? So the required ratio is 10:3. We write it as 10:3. Okay. Now, let's move ahead. Okay. Okay, see this. Now the units are different. Let's take this example. Find the ratio of 90 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Now, if you remember, I have told you whenever you are taking the ratio, the units should always be the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, but in this case, the units are different.
Yes, ma'am.
What shall we do?
Ma'am, I guess we have to convert the meter into centimeter.
Yes, we will convert it to 1 unit. Okay.
Yes,
So we convert it. It's always better to convert the bigger unit to smaller unit. Okay. Just to avoid the decimal point, we will convert to smaller unit. Normally, it is convenient to convert bigger unit to smaller unit for your easy calculation. Okay. Now the bigger unit here is 1.5 meters.
yes, ma'am.
Meter is a bigger unit, centimeter is a smaller unit. So first we will convert the units. So 1.5 meter will be how many centimeters?
150.
150. When we multiply by 100, we get 150 centimeters. And hence we get our ratio 90 by 150. So when you take the lowest form of this, okay, you get 3 by 5. Alright? How do you get the lowest form?
Ma'am, first you have to first you have to keep the first number in the numerator form, then denominator. Then you have to find their common factor.
Find the
Common factor.
common factor. Now what will you divide it with here? In this case, 90 by 150.
Ma'am, 5. Sorry.
Huh.
5 years old.
See here. Yes, it can go 5. Of course, it's divisible because zeros are here. It can go with 10 also. No? Both numbers have 0 at the end. So we can divide it by 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So it becomes 9 by 15. And now 9 and 15 both comes in the table of
3, ma'am.
3. So again, when we divide it by 3, you get
3 by 5, ma'am.
9 and 3 5.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
3:5. The ratio is 3:5.
3.
Ma'am,
Now here you have to see what I want to say is first here you have divided it with one number, then you divided it with another number. It's easy to do that, to do with small numbers. But in case you get any such number where you are not able to find out, then what do you do? Actually, it is what? We are finding the common factors here, no? 10 is a common factor between 90 and 150. 3 is also a common factor. So basically, we are finding the highest common factor between the two. So whatever HCF we get here, with that number we divide. Okay, this is divide here, not multiply. Okay, with that number. So 30 is the common factor here. So we divided it by 30. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise also 3 into 10, if you multiply, that's 30 only.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's take some more, let's take some examples from the exercise part now. Okay. There are 20 girls and 15 boys in a class. What is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys? Now I'll ask each one question, okay? Okay, let's see Trilokya. Trilokya, tell me the first one. What is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys?
Ma'am, 20 is to 15, ma'am.
No, you are just looking at the answer and saying,
Oh, ma'am.
okay. Let me just erase these answers, right? Okay, good Trilokya, nice. Okay. Okay, next, let me ask Bhavesh. Bhavesh is quiet today. Bhavesh, what is the ratio of number of girls to the total number of students in the class? How many are the total students? First tell me, Bhavesh. Hello, Bhavesh is here. Yes, Bhavesh, how many are the total students?
Ma'am, 35.
35. 35 are the total students. Okay, now tell me what is the ratio of number of girls to the number of students? Everyone should be ready with the answer. I can ask, take anyone's name.
Ma'am, I got the
Yes, Bhavesh, tell me.
Ma'am, 30.
Yes?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Your voice was
Ma'am,
cracked.
35. Answer.
35 are the total students. No? So what will be the ratio?
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, beta. Just a second. Yes, Bhavesh. Ratio will be ratio of number of girls to the number of students. So first the girls are written. So girls are 20. Total students are 35. So the ratio will be 20 by 35 and you will get it into the lowest form. Okay, 5 fours will be 20, 5 sevens will be 35. Right?
Yes. Ma'am, I also got the same answer.
Very nice.
Ma'am, I also got.
Good, very good, very good. Okay, now see, out of 30 students in a class, 6 like football, 12 like cricket, and the remaining like tennis. Find the ratio of, now this question will be for Srilaksha. Srilaksha, tell me, number of students liking football to number of students liking tennis. Yes, Srilaksha?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 6.
Yes, see?
Ma'am, 6 is to 10.
One second. No? Okay, number of students liking football. How many like football? 6 like
6, ma'am.
football. Okay. To the number of students liking tennis. How many like tennis? It's not
10,
good.
ma'am.
Okay, so you have to find out. Out of 30 students, you will subtract the children who like football also and the children who like cricket also. You will subtract them. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshya?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what do you get here? This will be 18. Okay, and 30 minus 18, that will be 12. So, how many students like tennis?
12, ma'am.
12. So 12 means 6 by 12 is 6 ones are 6 twos. So we brought it to lowest form. And the ratio will be 1 is to 2.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Neha now. Neha,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the next one. Number of students liking cricket to the total number of students.
And the ratio is 12 is to 22.
12 is to, one second, how
Oh,
much?
12, sorry. 12 is to 12 is to 12.
See, number of, how many children like cricket?
12.
Cricket lovers are 12, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and total number of students are how many? It's given here, out of 30
Sorry, ma'am.
students. 30 is the
30.
total number, no?
Yes, ma'am.
And by 30. Now, when you reduce it to lowest form, what will you get, Neha?
We get,
Hmm?
ma'am, we get 2 is to 5.
2,
2 is to 5.
2 is to 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you divided by 6. Okay, 6 2 is 12, 6 5 is 30. So that's 2 is to 5. Okay, good. Let's see now. Okay, now who did not get the turn? Let me check.
Mommy.
Harshit. Okay, now see the figure and find the ratio. Harshit will tell me. Harshit, number of triangles to the number of circles inside the rectangle. Now,
Mom, 3:2.
3 is to 2. 3 are the number of triangles. Okay, 3 triangles are here. And to the circles. Circles are 2. Okay, that's good. 3 is to 2. Okay, next. Who is left now? Who didn't get the turn?
Mommy.
Adya. Okay. Number of students to all the figures inside the rectangle.
Ma'am, 2:7.
Number of squares. Number of squares.
2 is to 7.
Squares are 2 and total figures are 7. So that's 2 is to 7. Good. Shriyansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Number of circles to all the figures inside the rectangle.
Ma'am,
Now,
2 is to 7.
circles are 2 to all the figures inside the rectangle. So this is all the figures are 7 figures. 2 to 7. Okay, good. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. Now see. Sri Lakshya, read the question number 4. Read question 4.
This distances traveled by Hamid and Akhtar in an hour are 9 kilometers and 12 kilometers. Find the ratio of speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar.
Okay, distance traveled by Hamid and Akhtar in an hour. Okay, in 1 hour, Hamid traveled this much distance and Akhtar traveled this much distance. Find the ratio of speed of Hamid to the speed of Akhtar. We have to find their speeds. Okay. Okay. Distance. Find the ratio of the speed of this. Okay, the speed is in an hour. The speed is already given to you. This is in 1 hour. That means 9 kilometers per hour. This is the speed of Hamid. Okay. And 12 kilometers per hour is the speed of Akhtar. Got it? Like the speed is what? How much distance you are traveling in how much time? Okay. Okay. In whatever time you are, how much distance you are covering, that is the speed. Okay. So the ratio of their speeds will be 9 by 12. Yes. 9 kilometer per hour. Both have the same units also. And 12 kilometer per hour. Right? So what will be the ratio? What will be the ratio, Sri Lakshya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what will be the ratio? Bring it to the lowest form.
Ma'am, 3:4.
3 is to 4. Okay, so we write it as 3 is to 4 liters. Okay. Now see, fill in the following blanks. Okay, let's see who can do this. Let me check. Okay, Shriyansh will tell me. Shriyansh, what will you write in this first box?
Ma'am, 15 by 18 equal to ma'am, I guess
See, you have studied about equivalent fractions.
yes, ma'am.
Studied in fractions, no? Equivalent fractions.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? So these are equivalent fractions only.
Yes, ma'am.
15 by 18. When you reduce it to lowest form, what do you get?
Lowest common
When the denominator
5,
6
5,
from 18.
5, ma'am, 5.
5. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, can you next one?
Huh.
Can you go? Ma'am, we'll keep 12.
Yes, next one will be
12, ma'am, 12.
12. Okay. Yes. Okay. Next. Who will say next? Trilokya, tell me.
Ma'am, 25.
25. Okay. How are you getting it? Please see here. In the first case, you divided it by 3. You divided by 3. 3 6 will be 18. 3 5 will be 15. Okay. You got 5 by 6. In the next case, what did you do? 5 multiplied by 2, you get 10. 6 multiplied by 2, you got 12. So that's again a equivalent ratio, fractions. Okay. Right? Then same thing, 5 into 5 will give you 25. 6 into 5 will give you 30. Okay? Once again. Okay, now see, find the ratio of these numbers are given to you 81 to 108. Now, please find the ratio. Everyone has to find the ratio for this one and for this one. Please do. I can ask anyone. Today, there's a lot of disturbance my side, no? Actually, some work is going on here, so
Ma'am, I got the answer.
okay, beta. Don't tell your answer, let others also
Ma'am,
do.
I also got the answer.
Okay,
Ma'am, for a bit I got.
okay. Find out the other one also. Okay, Neha, tell me the
Both
first.
the one I got.
Yes,
Ma'am, for both I got.
very good, Harshit. Neha, tell me the first one.
Ma'am, for A1 and D1 we need to do.
Yes, yes. Neha is there? Hello, Neha is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Neha, tell me the first answer for the first one.
Ma'am, the first one is 1:3.
1 is to 3. From
Yes,
where
ma'am.
did you get 1 is to 3?
1 is to, ma'am, 1 is to 2.
1 is to 2,
1
1
is to
is to 3.
Ma'am, 1:3.
From where are you getting this 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3?
I got a different answer, ma'am.
Ah, that's what I'm saying, no?
Ma'am, 3:4.
3 is to 4.
Yes, it will be 3 is to 4. Okay, see here,
Okay.
81 by 1 not 8, like this. So, with which number can these numbers can go?
Ma'am, 9.
Can I divide with 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Otherwise, also I can take the HCF and find out. Okay. So with 9, I can get 9 9s will be 81, and here also this will be 9
12.
1 half. I get 18, 9 twos are. So that's 9 by 12, which can further be reduced by 3. So I get 3 and I get 4. So my ratio becomes 3:4.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, children.
Ma'am, can you see the answer for next one?
Who wants to say?
Ma'am, Bhavyesh.
Bhavesh. Yes, Bhavesh. Say beta.
2:3.
2 is to 3.
Same answer.
Okay.
Yes.
2 is to 3. Everyone got the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Did I show you how?
Yes, ma'am. I also got the same answer.
Everyone got the same?
Ma'am, can you
Yes.
once?
You want me to show you? How did you get that?
Me, ma'am. She, ma'am.
Okay. So see, first, both the numbers are divisible by 5. I take 5 here. 5 6s will give 30. 5 9s will give 45. So I have 6 by 9. And further, I can reduce it by 3. So that gives 3 2s are, 3 3s are. And the ratio is 2:3.
Not to 9. Then.
Okay, ma'am. I got it.
Yes. Okay.
Will not do B and C.
You can do that also. I'm just randomly taking some questions.
Okay.
Actually, all these exercises have been done in detail. So since I'm taking the revision, I'm randomly taking. Otherwise, you can do for B and C part also. You want to try for another part, you can try.
I'm going to explain the B1, ma'am.
Okay, say for B1. Say Shreyansh, you want to say for B1?
Ma'am, can you explain the B1, ma'am?
Explain the B1. Okay, 98 by 63. Now 98 by 63, if you see the table of 7, now see 9, 7 9s will be 63 here, and 7 9 when you divide it by 98, so that gives you 1 7, you have 7 4s are okay. 98 when you divide by 7, 7 ones are will be 7 here, you are left with 2 and 8, so 7 4s are is 28.
Okay.
So that give you the ratio 14:9.
Okay.
Are in the table, both come in the table of 9.
Okay.
Same thing with 33 and 121 also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is clearly visible from here only. 11 is the common factor.
Yes.
Okay, let's take from here example. Okay, these are some different units. No? Let's see whether you can convert the units. Let me see who gives me the quick answer. C part and D part. And A part also. This is decimal.
Ma'am, I got the A part.
Okay.
Even I got.
Tell me what is the A part?
Ma'am, 1 is to 3, ma'am.
1:3. Great. Okay. Let me see who gives the next answer quickly.
Ma'am, I got the same. I got the same.
11 is to 20. It's 11 is to 20.
Which one? Which one?
Ma'am, B1.
B1, 11:20. Very nice. Good, good. Okay, next. Who gives the
Ma'am, 1 is to 4. Ma'am, 1 is to 4. D1.
Oh, no, no, not Harshit now. Harshit, you gave the previous answer. Let me take from somebody else. Somebody quickly.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, say fast.
Ma'am, it's 1 is to 4.
1:4. Very good. Good. Okay. Right. Okay, let's move ahead. Shreyansh, are you understanding? Sri Lakshya?
Yes,
Shreyansh? Okay, so
Yes,
in this case, we first change the units to the same unit and then we found the ratio.
ma'am.
Okay, because it was paise and rupees, this was minutes and hours, this was milliliters and liters. So here we had to convert the units.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see this age factor. अभी मैं कुछ नहीं बताऊंगी. This is all you have to find out. I am erasing all answers, all answers. And nobody should see the answer. Okay. Shreyansh, read the question number 16.
Present age of fathers is 42 years and that of his son is 14 years. Find the ratio of present
The first.
of father to the present age of son.
So in the first case, it's saying that find the ratio of present age of father to the present age of son. So what's the ratio?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, one by one. Okay. Say, Shreyash.
Just a minute.
Ma'am, I got the answer for all.
Very good, very nice.
Ma'am, I got the answer for A bit.
Very good. Find all the parts. Beta, I can take
Okay.
any name to give the answer. Be ready with your answer. Yes, Shreyash, are you facing any problem?
No, ma'am, I got it, ma'am. This is 3:1. Ma'am.
Yes, it's 3:1. Okay. So 14 is a common factor, right? So that's
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
okay. Next, Adya. Tell me, Adya, age of the father to the age of the son when son was 12 years old. When son was 12 years old. So 12 years old.
Ma'am, 40.
See, what was the son's age? 12 years old. Tell me.
Ma'am,
What was the age of the son
Ma'am.
when son was 12 years old? Okay, 12 years old. Son was 12 years old. And how much was the father's age 12 years old when 12 years back?
Ma'am, 30.
So that means that was 2 years back, no? Now the son is 14 years old. So
Yes.
when son was 12 years. So 12 years, the son was 12 years when I subtracted 2 from 14. So that means 2 years back. Okay, and 2 years back, what will be father's age? 40 minus 2?
Yes, ma'am.
42 minus 2, no? That is 40.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so age of the father to the age of the son. So age of the father was 40 years. Okay, and son's age is 12 years.
12 years.
Okay, so 40 by 12. So what is the lowest form of this? Tell me the lowest form, Adya.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Hmm?
Ma'am, doing, ma'am.
Okay, do. See, this question was not direct. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
It was given the son was 12 years. So when son's age was 12 years, that means for father it was 2 years back, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly tell me the lowest form. Others be ready with the next two parts.
Ma'am,
Yes. Hurry up.
For-
4 tens are, yes, say.
4 tens are 40.
Yes.
4 threes are 12, ma'am.
Well, and now there can be no common factors, so the ratio is 10:3.
10 by 3, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Next, Harshit. Harshit was saying, no? Harshit, say next one.
Ma'am, it will be 52 by 24. First, 52 by into is to 24.
Yes.
Then we divide it by 2, which will get 26 is to 12.
Yes.
Then we divide by 2 again, which is 13 is to 6.
Very nice. Good, Beta. Okay, so the ratio is in the lowest form, that's 13:6. So that was the question was age of the father after 10 years to the age of the son after 10 years. So this is the present age. After 10 years, the son's age will be 14 plus 10. So that will be 24. And father's age after 10 years will be 42 plus 10. So that will be 52. Okay.
Ma'am, I got the answer for the D one. D one.
Okay, good. Yes, Neha.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the ratio will be 30:2,
Hmm.
and we divide the ratio by 2, which will give us 15:1.
15:1. Very good. So the age of father to the age of son when father was 30 years old. So when father was 30 years old means
I'm got the same answer.
okay. Just a second. Okay, children. So this much for today. Okay. Thanks for joining. Shreyansh,
Nice
you
day.
understood whatever we did?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, this was your first classroom. So today we have just revised the exercise on ratios.
Okay, ma'am.
If you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay?
No, ma'am.
All right.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice
Bye,
day.
beta. Thanks for
Have a
joining.
nice day, ma'am.
Thank you. You too.